wooden fences are leaning or collapsing, you can hire a professional for an assessment, determine if you need to reinstall a new one or if it can be repaired. If it can be repaired, it will save you a lot of money. Repairing the fence first, replace the posts, and re-dig the holes. Replace the cement and plant the new posts. After the cement is set a little, the second step is to re-nail the old fence. It's easier to adjust the columns a little while the cement is still soft. Step 3. Replace new transom moppies and other damaged boards if necessary. If you feel that the new fence is not a consistent color, you can go to Home Depot and buy special paint to paint it.